BMW's ChargeForward enables you to smart charge your vehicle by charging it when local carbon emissions are lower and earns you incentives while doing so. Watch our other how-to video to learn how it works and how you can register. Once you've activated the program, to begin charging, you'll first need to verify that your vehicle is properly configured. In iDrive, under Settings, select Data Privacy and make sure you've allowed all services including analysis. Next, set your charging mode to immediately. Great! Now let's set your departure time in the ChargeForward app, ideally an overnight event. The dashboard displays your current vehicle charge, range, and charging status. To adjust your departure time, select View All. Need to add a new schedule? Just tap the plus symbol here and select Days and Times. Your chosen schedule is automatically shared to the BMW backend, and no further adjustments are needed in your vehicle and My BMW app. Once finished, tap the Back button. And don't forget to select Save. The final step? Connect your vehicle to the charger and let ChargeForward manage the rest. Your vehicle will intelligently determine a charging schedule based on your upcoming departure time, target state of charge, and local grid data. If there is enough time during the session, your vehicle will reach your desired target state of charge. In this case, you will automatically be notified that your vehicle is smart charging and at what time it will be ready. Want to check on the status? In the ChargeForward dashboard, select Charge Plan to view the proposed charging schedule, and the counter to verify it has been optimized once the session is over. Charging history is also tracked, along with incentives that you've earned for completed sessions. Keep in mind, if the charging session is ended before the set departure time is reached, the event will not count in your ChargeForward dashboard. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.